start streaming. Hello, hello, hello. 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 It is hello. Oh my gosh. Hello. So, we are back live pretty much. After I had to restart for various reasons. Anyways, so let's. Oh my god. It is probably this. It's not that. Okay, let's go line by line through this. Let's see what they have and we don't. So, source screen width and height, I don't care. Profile for path, create on the screen. Current, that doesn't matter. We just enable it. Maybe too late, but we did enable it. I have the VAO. They load this, they load that. We also do that. Load increase texture. We also do that. So we do this. Shader on use, we do that. We don't do this, but doesn't matter. I mean, we do this. We don't do the ints. We do this. We do this. We again do this. Yes, we do all of this. And we do some of this. And that's that. And ours doesn't work and theirs does. Uh, let's try this back here. And let's try this and see how it goes. And it still doesn't work. Or 0 triangle fractions. Maybe some of this is wrong. I don't know. Show the problem at CVP. So about this. So that no, it's by that. That didn't work. Let's see, maybe this code is different. Load mat 4 and the string 1 false application of 0 with frame, I think. We can try this. I don't think it's gonna work, but I can try it. I don't know what's gonna work. Again. Oh my god. I hate all of you. Not you people, I hate this. Hate spaces, I hate spaces, I fucking hate spaces. Fuck spaces! Fuck them. Family friendly channel, fuck's sake. Fuck them spaces. I hate this! Can I vent? Hello? Can I vent? I need to vent.
Why?
Fuck that space and fuck all the spaces. Fuck them. Fuck them in the ass. But it does work now, that's good.
Come in the ass. Very good, very strong. The fuck of more.
Let's see, so it does work now, and there are no fucking spaces. So I'm gonna add a fucking check here. So, for size T1 is step 1 of variable step 1, and like just look at I don't know. For size T is 0, I is less than 1, I plus plus. If char T is equal to variable at I is none. What's this one? Perfect. I like your definitions. I like them very much. Okay. Fucking perfect. See if it's not. It oh, it's error. I think it has to be runtime error. Until in shader. What's how is it called? I cannot remember. Uniform name. Perfect. Now if I do this fuck, now it's gonna work perfectly. This time, as if I did something like this again, this projection space, if it that God forbid happen, I would get a fucking exception. Thank you. And then I could go, oh, okay, then this is it. I have this. Oh, I see space here. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, go on your merry way. Let's do this because we don't need space. Okay, they don't have to jump off the bridge for me. Thank you. So, that works. Perfect. So, what else? So, have this. Just presents a limit, which is very good now. So now we need our entities. As every one of our entities need a few things. So yep, model, with none of that is in entity. So model, position, and velocity. Raw kitty kitty, asshole. Is it gonna be VAOID? VAOID. And the velocity position, model, position, velocity. And then we are gonna get all of that and oh sorry cat. Not sorry. And translate it, I guess, because it's much easier to do those calculations later. I think. I don't know. What do you want, cat? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want, cat? Here, play, cat. Oh, wait. Okay. Oh, I just noticed something. Okay. Look at this. Hello. Now we are actually communicating. That was stupid. Uh, test. Yes. That's all. How do I get the box chat here? Please, man, please. Okay, I'm gonna help work this chat too, I guess, which is nice. Or I do have live
Jesus.
chat, which is box chat. That's the live chat, and then we copy paste this here. Then okay. Because that's okay. So if I did something like this, for example, check out so start here. Would it show up on my? Oh wait, always here. Oh, here it does. Just so.
Talking?
Kiki.
Such a business.
Okay, okay. So what we need, I don't, there's nothing we have to do, just want to do. So our entities, you're gonna have a perfect little entity, and so it's gonna be Lappy bird dot entity, create a folder. Okay. So now this would be perfect if it was not a text format, but it is, so I cannot do anything for that. We don't need a velocity now. Actually, yeah, we don't really need the velocity. I don't think so. So we need the position and then the ABB bounding box. Access align bounding box. But I guess we are not going to be using ABB, we are going to be using, I guess, circular colliders for this. Because as far as I remember, the Flappy Bird was not a fucking square. So it is what it is. So we need a position. We also do need the velocity because Flappy Bird is gonna go. We also need the rotation. And then rotational velocity. Rotational velocity. Angular velocity. Velocity of rotation. Of rotation. I guess rotation speed maybe? Because, okay, this is gonna be very us specific thing. So what we want is like rotation, and then we can have an int with which we like grade, is it up, down? So it's gonna be an int. It's gonna be a float, like a rotation. So because, for example, is that how I want to? This is interesting. What do we want? Rotation, we have rotation, we have rotation. So our rotation, if we are on the updraft, we want to rotate upwards and then fall down and then rotate up again when they press space. I don't know if that should be handled in here or in the other place. I again don't think we need a velocity. That's gonna be maybe somewhere like up here, not up down here, because again I don't think it's needed necessarily, because it's gonna be a constant sum, and I don't think it's gonna change based on entities. Or maybe it is, so we're gonna leave it there, I don't think. Maybe if we add gravity, it's gonna change. And stuff like those, the ground and stuff like that doesn't need the velocity, so it's gonna be set to 0 and stuff like that. So, yes. Position, velocity, and rotation. Yeah, that's fine. Texture ID, sure. So, what I need is a texture. So it can be struct that has two things. I guess it's gonna be a constructor. It's just gonna take it. It's gonna take it. No, we don't need it. So we are gonna have this is a private thing. Public. Again, I don't think it's gonna be private. We need our model, position, velocity, rotation, and texture. Model. You do it. This all this velocity, and set this. We are gonna have a const tab pointer. Texture. Texture. Entity.cpp. Name space. Namespace. Wallpaper API. Entity. I'm just gonna copy paste because it's too long. Let's say I wanted to break it from file, so I don't have to write this awfully huge constructors, but it's gonna have all that in the end. There's something to have, I guess. An M position, simple position, position, velocity, and rotation. Velocity, and rotation, then rotation, and underscore. So this is model 2 and model like this, and then for vector we need this. There's a graphics. No, it's applications. See. And texture. Let's put it like that. Oh, it is a texture. I'm surprised it is. Yes. So graphics, I think. Entity graphics as point applications. I guess maybe it's full or something like that. Texture. I guess I can save all of this. So why not? And texture. X, Y components and buttons. So I don't know. Also, number of color panels. So it's I can just be color panels. Nine panels. Color panels. Like an underscore and an underscore for here. White data. Yeah, this is gonna be row. Let's be error. Exception browser. Error. Failed to load texture. As there is no dynamic message. That's the bit. Perfect and limits and designs. That's why we might need a deck. So we have all of this lines. Model, position, velocity, and rotation. Subtract. Yeah. Resolution. I don't think I need this with the app because it will never have a texture on your own. It's always gonna be of another a subclass. So it's gonna be a subclass of, like, for example, entities, and that's like the only way you're gonna have it. That's your point in having a member. But that's that's so long to write. That's the only reason. M texture, M texture, M texture, text, right? Something like M texture dot type texture. Okay, I want an for element type. So it's gonna be this. Texture. So it's gonna be that. Okay. 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, and then called power channels 0. Oh, this, this, for this, but perfect. Flip it here, so I don't need to flip it in memory. I don't think it matters really. But it's nice to go. That's certain. So I need a list of entities. That's good. Application dot application dot h. Dot entity is oh bad. Okay. Let's how do I restart the engine? Because it doesn't form. I guess it's initialized at the start. So, but put back. Okay. That's gonna be lace back. So what do we need? This computer, which is entity, that's a big model, which is
Is it okay?
yes. How
Marticina, ma premo semplice.
we have our model now. Next, what we need is a position. It's gonna be 0, 0, 0.
Ugasila
I think that's fine. 0, 0, 0, and then
Znaš kako? Prija mi da znaš.
model position velocity station 0, and then a texture which is what we get now here. Why is it a JPEG? I don't know. Let's know later, please. Okay, so that's GLM 3. Yep. 2 more. Is that perfect? Our entity is here and it exists. Yay. Sorry. Here you go. Of course. Here you go. Hihi. Now my question is when do I load the models? Like when do I create these? I think that's a very good question. I don't really know how to answer it. So I just want to see something. Let's see. But I guess in the same is So if we go to it, it's okay. This is I can just call it generate texture. So let's see it. Fucking great. Again.
Kaç?
So we again had spammers, which is yes, very good.
Niye?
Never. There's no candles. That doesn't mean there are no spammers. It does mean less spammers. Generate textures and generate data. I guess. Let's go to generate data. We can pass as it is here. Const pointer. Const pointer. Location. Let's hold it down. No. Here. Thank you. Foxy.
Baby, milk, please.
So this now launch, I think. Data. And this is the reply of the thing. Void and also generate data. Texture of location or path maybe. I don't know. Okay. Generate data. This is that. That is this. Das ist was. VBO and VBO. Stuff like that. Vertices. Okay. This is vertices size. Is it the position? That's in the model, correct. Model. This is size. Vertices of data. This stupid get. Yes, that works. Okay. VBO and VBO. And GL binds you, I think. This don't bind it. I think this is gonna work. I think so. Yeah, it should work. VBO will copy this. VBO. So we're gonna move this to here. No problem. So we move them last. Just use them like this, and this should hopefully for generate the buffers. Then we can use that in the application. Now we don't need any of this. The only thing we need enable dual tap test, which I think should be done in the renderer. In the init method, create geometry tap test, debug output.
Me muestra para carnage.
Okay.
Можно.
I know. Don't worry. Get. Stop. So we only do this, and this would also be redone with another way. Yes. Get them. Oh, are you okay?
Oh, this salami.
So we move this to here, so we can. I don't think this. So let's try it. Okay, this is now a reference to it, so it doesn't copy the 3 flows. It just it gets long, so it gets 4 blocks. It has, which is like a lot, like 28 times 32 bytes. Which is a lot. We're gonna see if this works. So there is the geo we go here and in one of these source codes. Shit, use. Let's see. So we need to this now for const entity and this. So what we are doing here is getting a reference to an entity. Here, but I'm gonna shut up for now. So we have so what we need is we need this. Drawing everything we need. Exactly not what I wanted. So got entity. Oh. So let's see. So we need entity dot again. I think there's no need to make any of this private. Entity dot texture dot texture ID. So we need that. We also need to bind the VA of the entity. And VA. Let's go. VAO. This. Let's see if it works. Oh, so many errors. I love it. We do need to put this up. There's no way without this up. Other than that, I don't know what will make sense. And DT and perfect. So build. Not anything. I don't need texture. Okay. Just need this. Close you. So build.
How does it feel to be a program?
Oh, it works. It feels very nice when it works. like you did now. That's nice. With this, I can just change these things. It's going to work in big quotation marks. This is red for these. I have to do that first.
Warte, willst
So it
du?
would. I'll be back. I'm back. Hello.
Timur, vous
So to test this if this is working, I'm gonna put this in a while loop, and that's gonna end hopefully. Okay. While more or less what's gonna happen. Let's just copy paste this. Let me copy paste this. Cut this, I guess. So it what? Huh. Yeah, no, model is transform is always here. Transform. Here. So transform dot transform is a matrix, right? So I want to translate it. X to 0.001 and every frame for 1,000 frames. Let's see how that works. It literally didn't last long enough, 10,000. And let's add a few more zeros. That's too many zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course. Why does this not work? Because I don't swap the fucking buttons. Anyways. So this again doesn't whatever Jackson, I know. My back hurts. Fuck. It's moving. Oh no, the image is running away. Let's stop it. It's running. So, this is more of the concept done, which is very nice. Let's restart it. So, 1,000 frames, no, 10,000 frames is a bit much. Let's run just 100. And that's that. So it is able to like do it like this. Let's see better. Boom! It's running away. But it does work. This is how it goes.
This is how.
So we transform it in the translate it into x direction by 0.005 every frame, which is very fast right now because there's no actual frame understandings. Like we don't stop for a frame, we just go. So it works, which is very nice. We are gonna refactor more of this code because I hate these events, whatever the fuck. I hate it. We don't need this. This works. So let's go and no problem. Open with. So let's go to the here. So rename open file and file. Open file and file. Perfect. File explorer. Thank you for speaking the correct language. So we don't need this part entity. We are not going to use that for now. This doesn't. Again, this is vertex shader. So here, vertex. We don't need to try anything. Let's rescan. And at that application, okay, no, never. It's just not allowed. Okay. Rescan. We did a lot of things. As you can see, we removed a lot of code from here and copy pasted it somewhere else. But so we did move a lot of code and copy pasted somewhere else, but it's in good faith that we did that. So yes, yes, this is our entity. Now it works, which is very great. I love it. We also need, I guess, to add destructors maybe for entities. I mean, we for sure need to add destructor for the entities. It's at structure entity entity oh, entity. What we need is generate del delete buffers, delete vertex arrays. Okay, perfect. There's gonna be one and the location. This gl delete buffers, which is again. So, oh, bless you, bless you, bless you. Let's see. So we need this. Is that how we delete here? Delete first activities and delete path with delete. Yes, it is perfect. What else do we need? How do we delete it? Yes, no, don't worry. Right, so let's see. No problem. GL delete textures. One and this and this. So we delete the texture tool. Do we generate anything else? We don't. That's about that for deleting. Everything else is deleted, I think, automatically. Just, what the hell? I know. Step test output. Okay, let's go back to here. Should out so loudly. Okay, this works. Yes. Then shader program. I get this. Perfect. Yeah, depth test is very important. Yes, not for our exact case, but it is important. We added the check for headache and loading matrix for Fs, and then we add the GLM to research, rescan. Improved, and this now using this to render for rendering. Commit, push, close, and if we go to my GitHub, conf/market3.5 slash game wallpaper games. Perfect. It's there. Improved entities. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye. Maybe later. And next week, but maybe. Bye.